The Whoop charging cable is a specialized charging accessory designed for the Whoop fitness tracker, a popular wearable device that monitors user activity, sleep, and recovery. To understand the purpose and functionality of the Whoop charging cable, it is essential to start with the basics of the Whoop fitness tracker itself. The Whoop fitness tracker is a small, lightweight device that can be worn on the wrist or as a pendant, providing users with detailed insights into their daily activities, including exercise, sleep patterns, and recovery. One of the key features of the Whoop is its long-lasting battery, which can last up to 5 days on a single charge. The Whoop charging cable is a custom-designed cable that allows users to charge their Whoop fitness tracker quickly and efficiently. The cable is typically USB-based, making it easy to plug into a computer, wall adapter, or any other USB-compatible device. When connected, the Whoop charging cable provides a secure and stable power supply to the fitness tracker, ensuring that it is fully charged and ready for use. To use the Whoop charging cable, simply plug one end into a power source, such as a USB port or wall adapter, and the other end into the Whoop fitness tracker. The device will begin charging immediately, and the charging process usually takes around 2 hours to complete. It is recommended to charge the Whoop fitness tracker when the battery level falls below 20% to ensure optimal performance. Best practices for using the Whoop charging cable include avoiding overcharging, which can reduce the battery lifespan, and keeping the cable clean and dry to prevent damage. It is also essential to use the official Whoop charging cable to ensure compatibility and safety. In conclusion, the Whoop charging cable is a vital accessory for the Whoop fitness tracker, providing a convenient and efficient way to charge the device. By following the guidelines and best practices outlined in this tutorial, users can ensure that their Whoop fitness tracker remains fully charged and functional, allowing them to track their activities and monitor their progress with ease.